Namaste and welcome to day 16 of Mindful 30 journey, and today's practice is about being open. Well, it's not just about being physically open, but also mentally and emotionally open. Yes? Well, let's get started by getting into a very comfortable seat. Relax your shoulders and chest. Keeping your eyes closed, body relaxed. Trying to observe what you're feeling today. How you're breathing today. Keeping both the hands and the heart. Let's chant Om sound after the next inhalation. Inhale. Om. Today, I will keep my heart and mind open towards any possibilities that is ahead of me, any opportunities that is ahead of me. With this open mind and open heart, I welcome this practice. Softly relax your hands. Take your time to open your eyes. We'll start with opening the heart. Our heart chakra is the green wheel. Imagine in this practice that green wheel is opening, the heart is opening, the door is opening, and the green light is shining all across the universe. See if this imagination helps you in the practice and try to adapt it. Alright, we're going to place both the hands behind, just normally behind, fingers facing behind, and just lift your chest up. Keep your chin to your chest and just open the heart. Shine your heart out and breathe. Keep your chin to chest so that you can still breathe naturally and relaxed. Have a gentle smile on the face. The smile, the curve that it brings, it's like the welcoming and the door that is opening for the universe, opening towards any possibilities ahead of you. Slowly release. We're going to start with little rolls. So you just have to take your chest behind, take it to the right, take it to the front, to the left, and in. Just circling the chest out to the anti-clockwise. Yes. Big circle, just as much as your body is allowing you for. You don't have to look exactly how I am looking at while doing this. You can look different. It's your personal way of doing it. Embrace it. And now reverse it to the other direction. Yes. Try to close your eyes and see if you can tap into the internal feeling that you have as you're doing it. See what you're feeling when you do this. It's okay if you can't understand or can't feel anything. That's absolutely all right. That's also a way to communicate with yourself. Nothing is also something, yeah? Slowly release. Just drop your right hand on the right side, slide it, bend the elbow, and reach out from the left hand to the side and push the left hip down. Breathe. We're not holding a lot today, so we're just going to try to move. So you're going to take your arms behind and try to open your chest to the ceiling and then come in. One more time. Open your chest to the ceiling. Come in. Last time, open your chest to the ceiling and come in. Slowly come up. Same thing on the other side. Slide. You can add a height underneath your elbow if your elbow doesn't touch the floor, or you can keep it off the floor. Both of them is an option. Don't compare two different bodies in this practice. Just be curious to approaching this beautiful journey. Last one and release. This is amazing. All right, we're going to get into standing and we're going to do a little bit of cactus, cat and cow. So what is cactus? This arm is called cactus. Okay, from here what you have to do is you're going to contract your cactus, contract your spine and inhale, expand, push the hips back and arch. Yes, exhale, contract, inhale, expand, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, Exhale. Inhale, last one. Exhale. Inhale and release. Slowly step your right leg ahead, left leg back. You're going to just grab your elbows behind and just let the elbows push you down and arch your back. Breathe. Try to lean your chest slightly ahead. Make space for that hand. Slowly tuck the chin to the chest. Release. Same thing on the other side. Just turn. Don't adjust the legs a lot. Just turn. The hand stays there. Arch. Breathe. Slowly chin to chest. Come back center. From here, you're gonna just let your body surrender down. Grab your elbows and just slowly move from your right to your left. Yes, that's it. Beautiful. Breathe. You can sway your hips a little bit, but keep your knees straight. Let your hamstrings feel the work happening. If you're feeling dizzy here, you can just stop and take your time to come up. Continue breathing. Slowly drop your hands down. Very slowly, chin to chest and come up. Roll up vertebrae by vertebrae. From here, get your legs together. What we're going to do is arch our back. So you're going to interlock your fingers and keep your index finger together. Roll the shoulders back and arch as much as your body is able to. Okay, so arch and push your torso ahead. Look up. Exhale. Slowly release the hands down. Inhale. Arch. Exhale. Slowly release. Inhale. Arch. Exhale. Slowly release. Inhale. Arch. Exhale. Slowly release. And slowly come up. Get your hands on the waist. This time keep your hands on the hips, fingers facing downwards. Roll the shoulders back, elbows in. Engage your glutes and push the pelvis ahead and chest up. Stay. Breathe. 5, 4. Open your heart to the universe. 3, 2. If you're not able to breathe, tuck your chin to your chest. 1. And release. Close your eyes. Just stay there and breathe. From here, we're going to slowly drop our knees down on the floor. Yes. And we're going to do the same thing we did while we were standing. So hands on the hips, roll the shoulders back, elbows in, and very gently, not a lot, gentle approach, chest up, hips ahead, head back and breathe. Slowly come up. Like I said, do as much as you can. If it's just here, that's absolutely fine. Okay, one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly come up, sit on your knees, close your eyes and breathe. Slowly place your left hand on the right thighs, right hand back, lengthen your torso and breathe. Change sides. From your slowly come ahead, get into all fours, tabletop. From here, all you have to do is arch. Yes, just stay in arch and walk your hands ahead. So you can drop your chest closest to the floor possible. That's it, breathe. You can keep your forehead down, or chin down, whatever feels more accessible for you here. Slowly first take your one hand back, other hand back. Slowly push your elbows in and press the palms to lift your body up. Okay, from here what you have to do is take your arms ahead and just try to push down with keeping the hips up. The hips lean ahead and you try to go down and push up, just that much. If this is comfortable for you, you can do it with one leg only. So you're gonna go down and up. Choose the options you like. 1, good. 2, beautiful. 3, let's do it. 4, take the leg highest. 5, and release. Get the knee down, change sides. If you were already on your knee, 5 more to go. Take your left leg back and go for it. 1, and up. Good, use those arms. 2, and up. Be open to trying anything and everything today. 3, and up. Don't find logic. Don't seek any validation today. 4, good. One last. Let's do it. 5, and release. Slowly sit on your knees. Open your knees a little bit. Keep your palms fingers facing towards you. Arch your back and breathe. We're going to do a tiger breath together. In tiger breath, we take our tongue all the way out and you exhale when you're doing this, and you roll your both eyeballs towards up, looking up here in the center of your eyebrows. Okay, so open your tongue fully out, exhale when you do it, and take your eyes up. Let's do it together 2 times. Inhale, exhale, tongue out. Take the tongue in. Let's try to make the exhalation more longer. Tongue in. Observe natural breath. Get your knees in. Sit tall. Find a comfortable seat and place your both the hands on the heart. Try to connect with your heartbeat and see how you're feeling right now. Today, I'm gonna be open towards any possibilities ahead of me. Today, without judging, without even contemplating, I'm gonna be open towards any thoughts, any ideas that cross my mind. I'm gonna give myself this chance to not judge myself before trying anything. Opening myself to all the opportunities ahead of me. I am where I am exactly supposed to be today. Thank you for this beautiful practice, this beautiful day, and this amazing universe that is surrounded by the beautiful energy that helps me in this journey. Gently relax your hands. Slowly take your time to open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I hope you had a beautiful time practicing and opening up with me on the mat, and I hope you take this experience of the mat as well in your day. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day ahead. Don't forget to rest if you have the time with you. 5 minutes to lie down in stillness, quietness, and relaxation just with yourself. Thank you.